Unscrew the screws on both sides of the bottom of the outer box. Unscrew 2 M10 hex bolts that secure the equipment under the base plate. Lift the entire case and remove the top foam and accessory box. Remove the 4 leveling screws from the accessory box and install them on the bottom of the hardness tester. Open the top and back covers of hardness tester and cut off the white strap. Open the top cover and remove the rubber bands and gaskets that secure the small lever. Remove the boom and take off the straps. Attach weight A to the end of the boom. After installing weight A, hang the boom back into the lug. Turn the variable load handwheel to position 588 for 60 and then place weights B and C. The weights, from top to bottom, are C, B, A. When placing the weights, make sure that the cylindrical pins on both sides are correctly engaged in the grooves. Rotate the variable load handwheel to check if the weights are correctly locked in the groove. Prepare the test bench from the accessory box and install it. Place the level on the test platform. Adjust the 4 leveling screws to center the bubble. After installation, replace the back cover and top cover. Connect the power supply and turn it on. Select the appropriate indenter based on the required measuring scale. Push the indenter into the spindle hole and tighten the indenter fastening screw. Select the corresponding test force using the variable load handwheel. Wipe the specimen clean, place it on the edge of the workbench, and then push it under the pressure head. Raise the platform clockwise to locate the measurement point. When the indenter touches the hardness block, raise it slowly and evenly, ensuring the specimen contacts the indenter slowly and without impact. Observe the indenter icon on the main interface until it descends to the dotted line approximately 580. Release the indenter after a beep. The test is completed after another beep. Reverse the rotation wheel to lower the test platform. The display screen automatically shows the hardness result. The first test point on the Rockwell hardness block should not be counted. The test must be repeated at a different location.